Honorable members, it is with immense pride that I refer to the outstanding achievement of the Indian under-19 cricket team in winning the ICC Under-19 Men's Cricket World Cup at Hazare, Zimbabwe, defeating England team by a commanding margin and bringing great honor to the nation. This remarkable effort, which is a record extending 6th Under-19 World Cup title, once again highlights the depth of talent, commitment and the sporting excellence among our youth. Honorable members, I always applaud teamwork, and while this success belongs to the entire team, I would also like to place on record special appreciation for the young prodigy Vaibhav Suryavanshi ji, who scored an extraordinary 175 runs, highest ever in the Under-19 Cricket World Cup finals. Brilliant individual performances by his colleagues in the run-up to the final were truly inspiring and reflect the promise of a bright future. On my own behalf and on behalf of this House, I extend heartiest congratulations to the captain, players, coaches and the entire support staff, and wish these young champions many more laurels in the years to come.